We want to find p sub 17 from the following data. So keep in mind that the notation p sub x, this represents the xth percentile. So p sub 17, it means we need to find the 17th percentile. To find the value corresponding to a percentile, we use the locator index formula, which is L equals to k divided by 100 times n, where k represents a percentile and n is the total number of values. If L is a decimal, then we will always round up. So in this case, we want to find the 17th percentile, which means the value of k is 17, and n is the total number of values. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28. N is equal to 28. So if you plug this in, we're going to get L equals to k, which is 17, divided by 100 times 28. And that's going to give us the locator index. Okay, so let's take 17 divided by 100, multiply that by 28. This gives you 4.76. Now, L is a decimal. If L is a decimal, then you're always going to be rounding up. So we round up to 5. So our locator index is going to be is going to be 5, which means we're looking for the 5th location. Now remember, your answer isn't equal to 5. Your answer is whatever value is in the 5th location. So our 5th location is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 28. So p sub 17 equals to 28.